Porsche or Porsche? Nice. So nice. Awesome day. I will sit in my dream car. Time I'm gonna try this. पहले यहाँ पे तो काफी भीड़ रहती है. चलो वेट कर रहे हैं. पर यार बहुत भूख लगी है. Dream car, dream car, dream car. Started to pick up, so we might have a stall there, and we put up our products there, and it's really important for our startup, I think, to have some direct, talk with the people, customer engagement. So I hope it works out. If there is a footfall, we will go and check out if there is footfall in something, and if there is, then we will do that. Arcade, and now we're going to Promenade. The arcade footfall was nice, so probably we might have a stall there. But thinking more of Promenade. Let's see. So yeah, going to Promenade now. So now we have come to Promenade. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Now we have come to Promenade after arcade, and maybe we'll have our stall here. Like our display stuff. लिटरली लाइन लगा के रखा है, इतने औसम औसम कार्स है। आई जस्ट शो यू, दिस इज, ये कौन सा गाड़ी है? विच कार इज दिस? दिस इज अ पोर्शा। पोर्शे या पोर्शा? ये ऑडी है। And this is the other one, man. It's so good. बस अभी बहुत भूख लगी है तो हम भी खाने आए हैं, तो बर्गर खाएंगे, उसके बाद मैं जाके बैठूंगी अपने ड्रीम कार में। आई एम सो एक्साइटेड, ऑल पॉसिबल फॉर दिस पर्सन। नहीं तो हम चले जाते और फिर बैठ ही नहीं पाते। आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू सिट, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड। इतना ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ से। In my mind, I've been like just thinking about Rolls Royce like all the time. I have fallen in love with the car, and I really love it so much. Today, I'm finally going to be like sitting in a Rolls Royce. I've never sat in a Rolls Royce before, like never in a Rolls Royce. So excited for it. And now we are waiting here for our food to come. इतना भूख लगा है, so hungry. यहाँ पे in Promenade there is Belgian fries and I'm going to be trying their food now. First time I'm going to try this. पहले यहाँ पे तो काफ़ी भीड़ देखा। चलो वेट कर रहे हैं, कब से भूख लगी यार, बहुत भूख लगी है। को सनसेट हो गया, गायब हो गया सन। अभी सन यहीं पे था, खाने के लिए वेट करते करते सनसेट भी देख लिया। इट्स लाइक सच अ नाइस डे। जाने हम रोल्स रॉयस में बैठने के लिए, सो एक्साइटेड। Oh my God, I'm actually going to sit in the Rolls Royce Phantom right now. So excited. Absolutely love it. Look at this, so good. Like wow, the interior is so classy and the color combination, the leather out here, it is so good. It's just so perfect. Absolutely. There is a mirror here also, right? The mirrors on the side of the mirror. This is really the most luxurious car ever. Nothing beats Rolls Royce. This is the best car. I'm so happy. Oh my God, it feels so good. perfect VIP car. You feel like a top priority when you sit in this car. This is the best car out of all. I mean, nothing beats a Rolls Royce, and I love this car so much. I absolutely love it. I love it. Nice. Absolutely love this experience. It was the best car ever. Like, absolutely love it. So comfy, so awesome. Like, I have no words to express. Nothing beats the luxury of this car. This is the best. Rolls Royce Phantom, the awesomest car ever. So now, after this awesome experience, I'm going out and we're leaving. And this was an ambience mall, and this is 8th of July, and what a beautiful experience it was. Absolutely loved it. Wearing the mask, का mask पहनना बहुत important है. After a very long day, I'm going back home now, and I'm so happy about today. Today was the day when my dream actually came true. Sitting in a car which is the Rolls Royce, it's more of an experience. I mean, no car can be a car like Rolls Royce. It's the best car ever, and I experienced it. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy.